Okay, we've just arrived and I have to say it smells amazing. I don't know if it's cedar or pine, but it smells absolutely wonderful. So we're gonna head on inside. Okay, so walking through the front door, you can see these beautiful tiled steps. I think that's so pretty. And then we'll go up the stairs. There's a closet here for brooms and things like that. And then here is the master bedroom, which is where we are staying. I love this room. I think it's so pretty. And we will go in here. We have a nice ensuite with a huge tub, which I know I'll be using later. And then we're going to my favorite part of the house, which is this room. It's unbelievable. I'm going to show you starting this way. Look at the kitchen. I love the color of the blue. I think that's so pretty. Huge, huge, huge island with lots of drawers and space for things. And then, look at this. Look at the views. Unbelievable. This has a huge dining room table. It's got some nice extra seating areas. So if you have a large family coming, no problem at all. Another huge screen TV. And then this beautiful fireplace, more seating areas. But we're gonna go over here and look at this. Unbelievable. And then outside, we have a huge deck, which we're gonna go out, but there's a hot tub. So we'll go explore that right away. Okay, so I'll definitely be using the hot tub later. And again, some more of the view, because I can't get enough of that. Absolutely beautiful. And here's the deck. And then we'll go around. You can see it's a really nice, huge deck. Wraps around, there's a barbecue. And here's another view of kind of what's around the neighborhood. So you can see how nice and secluded we are here. Okay, this is one of the first bedrooms downstairs. It's super cute, love the artwork. And then there's a really nice full-size washer and dryer. This is one of the other bedrooms. It's nice and large with a big closet and a desk. This is the third bedroom. It's also very large, also with a desk and a really big closet. It's really fun to go walking around downtown Sedona. There's lots of cute little stores where you can buy souvenirs, t-shirts, beautiful jewelry, even some yummy ice cream. There's also some really great restaurants where we tried the deep fried cactus, which was amazing. So yeah, definitely check it out. So we're just getting ready to leave, and we've had a wonderful stay here at House Jacob in Sedona, and I'm totally gonna miss these views, just unbelievable views. The home itself has been absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for a great place to stay up here in Sedona, definitely go to House Jacob.